Welcome back to Raw Talk with T-Dog. I don't know how you all feel, but I don't think that anyone's partner should be best friends or any type of close friends with the opposite sex. I don't care how long you've known this person for. For me, if I'm in a relationship with my woman and she has a male best friend, it couldn't work. I couldn't be in that relationship. I couldn't. I'm going to leave that relationship eventually because I'm not in the competition thing. There is nowhere in hell or heaven I can accept my woman, my personal woman, my fiance, my wife-to-be, my current wife, my current girlfriend. There is nowhere I can accept that person to be in a relationship, a best friend relationship with someone who's of the opposite sex. I couldn't do it. People like to say, oh, I've known that person forever. I've known this person before you. No problem. That's fine with me. You can just stay knowing that person forever, but as long as you want me, I am not staying. There is no way I can accept it. I can't accept another man texting my woman whenever he wants to. Ladies, you should not accept a woman texting your man whenever they want to. What type of hanky-panky games is this? It's either we're in a relationship or not, but I'm not in the sharing thing. Some people might look at it and say, oh, you're jealous. Oh, you're controlling. Say what you want about me. I just know that I cannot do it and I cannot accept it. To each their own. And I know that there's a lot of women out there as well who can agree with me that they wouldn't want their man to be best friend with a woman. It doesn't make sense. Normally, when somebody is best friends with the opposite sex, that is not really a friendship. It is compromise majority of the times. Because sometimes a man wants to sleep with that woman. Sometimes a man wants to sleep with the woman. It's not really no best friend. He's just waiting for a day when that woman is down so he can take her out to have drinks and take advantage of her, get in her panties, and get her little vagina play with. So let me tell you something. And then at the same time, it is the same thing with a man who's best friend with a woman. So anybody want to look at it in a sense and say it is more than okay, that's fine. I'm just saying I'm not doing it. And I know a lot of other people out there cannot do it either. It's so hard mentally to know that somebody have that type of access to my woman, my partner. Ladies, do not let any woman have access to your man like that. Because ladies, let me tell you something. Even if your man is best friend with a woman, your man probably wants to get in that woman's pants. Or that woman probably is so like one of them vindictive type of woman that she might try to irritate you. Try to irritate you even though it's your man. So ladies, if your man is best friend with a woman, I'm so sorry, there is something else going on, whether you like it or not. That man should only be best friends with you. If him have a brethren, then so be it. Not no woman calling and texting his phone late at night. And then he turns around and look at you and say, I'm a friend that texts me. That is rubbish. Under no circumstances is that acceptable. When best friends hug each other, they hug each other with a different feeling and a different tightness to it. And ladies, let me tell you something. Vice versa. If you're friends with the opposite sex, and that friend of yours, that so-called friend, has made an attempt, whether it be once, twice, or when they're drunk, or going through a rough time, if they've made an attempt to wanting to be with you, that is no longer a friendship. Because that friendship is now compromised. There is nowhere you can continue being friends with somebody who's made a move on you. You want to know why? Because no matter what, no matter how long life goes on for, that person would have made an attempt on you knowing that you are in a relationship. So it doesn't make sense. That's not a friendship anymore. Friends don't sleep with each other. Friends don't send each other dirty texts. Friends doesn't want to sleep with each other. You need to understand that. So it doesn't matter whichever way you guys want to look at. Oh, I know that person from college. Oh, I know this person from high school. I know this person from my church. He can be friends with Jesus. She can be friends with Jesus. But let me tell you, you shouldn't be best friends with the opposite sex. That's what I'm trying to explain to you. You can look at it in a controlling way if you want. That's fine. There's people out there who will accept it, and there's people who won't. You can choose your friend over your relationship if you want, but in the long run, it's only going to come to affect you. Because one day, your friend that you're choosing over your relationship won't choose you over their relationship. And one day, when that friend makes a move on you, you're going to realize that it wasn't a friendship. The moment you break down, that person is going to tell you everything that is wrong so that you can find your way to them. And that friend don't even want you. That friend only wants to sleep with you. There's nothing more to it. You just look like an easy target for him. Somebody who's going through a lot and they decide to unleash and just get in your panty, play with your little pum-pum, make you feel good, and get your heart broken again. Let me tell you this. Friends with the opposite sex is a no-no. It doesn't matter what way you look at it. It is a no-no. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. I just came from the gym and I had to share and preach some gospel to you. Remember to like, comment and let me know what you think. T-Dog out.